we are doing our best efforts to find those violate and reward those who don't violate.
So, sir, Jan Samparka is a movement which everybody is appreciating, but there is civilian and traffic police conflicts because people are not able to cooperate with each other. There are human conflicts, the behavior conflicts. What are you going to do for that?
See, one thing is very certain that we are being enforcement agency. We expect to encounter such frictions. It is not new to police. Maybe because we tend to work in very odd conditions, hard conditions, and people also, when they're traveling on their own business, if they are stopped for any violations to enforcement, they may also be irritated, and definitely some behavioral frictions will be there. To counter this, we are training our people. We are telling them how to counter such situations, how to keep their cool and to behave properly and all. In spite of that, there will be some incidents. We are taking correctional measures. That is first point. Second point is we are now trying to take use of technology, the body-worn cameras. Whenever there is an enforcement management issues are there, traffic management issues are there, we are asking our people to put these cameras on. Now we are having just 150 cameras. Now we are planning to get everybody one body-worn camera, so that a civility will be brought in between the public and the police, and there will be transparency. And if our people also will be very conscious when they are talking to general public, and public also will behave properly because everything is on record. But at the end of the day, what I request with the public is that if there is any such incidents, I will request them to report to their seniors. It may be inspectors, it may be ACPs or DCPs, and we will take action. There is no place in police to abuse innocent public or public at any cost. There is no place.
So you can convince the civil people, like people who are civilized, to follow all the rules. But people who tend to not follow these rules, and juveniles are there who tend to do wheeling, and there are people there who actually deliberately break the rules. So what measures will you take?
You see, now the laws are very clear. If any juvenile person is doing an act which violates the IMV, that is Indian Motor Vehicle Act, IMV Act, their parents are responsible. The vehicle owner is responsible for that. We are prosecuting them, and we are also asking these people to surrender their licenses, and also we are putting cases under security sections against them.
So there are heavy fines over all the rules. Like if you break one rule, you have been heavily fined. People don't mind paying, but there's one more question behind the back, that there are no proper facilities. If they are charging 1,000 rupees to break the line, so there must be proper line drawn. So
That is true. That is true. That is not true in every case. You see, you may be telling that if there is no line, we'll not going to enforce it. If there is no law, clear line drawn, that is at the junctions, we are not going to enforce there.
But apart from that, also,
What I am telling is that they are going to get a bike, 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, no problem, good. But at the same time, they will not buy a good helmet. They will not wear a helmet. Where is the question of facility? You see, if you want to follow the law, definitely will follow. If you want to break the law, they will break the law in the absence of police. My request is that don't follow the law for the sake of following it or because the presence of the police. Please follow the law because of the road safety and related issues.
So people have this attitude of, rules are made to break. So for that attitude, what awareness camps can be made so that people tend to follow all the
There are
rules?
three elements in traffic management or reducing the accidents. One is education, enforcement, and engineering. Engineering is actually BBMP Traffic Cell is looking after, and we are giving them suggestions. And enforcement and education is with us. We are training our young people, young students from the schools. We are going there online now, offline then, and we are training them. And also, we are making the enforcement very strict